Welcome to today's Ask a Canva Verified Expert question. And today's question comes in the form of shrinking photos into frames. Let's dive in and take a look. So today's question is, I have an issue with frames and needing to shrink an uploaded photo into a frame. Is this possible to shrink to fit? Let's dive into Canva and take a look. So let's imagine this is your scenario and this is your photo. If you want to drag this in here, you can see you can't actually shrink this enough because of the width and the height, or the height restrictions on this. There's not enough height above these people's heads in order to be able to get the full width inside of the photo. Yes, we can move it across and get their faces on, but they're kind of cut off. We want the space on the edge. Let me explain that to you. So if I hold down the Command key to hover over this, if I put the bottom corner in there and then shrink this image down to be able to get the full width of the image in, you can see there's a little bit of space left at the top. So what we really need to do is we need to actually expand above this in the yellow side in order to be able to actually fit that photo into the frame. But how do we do that in Canva? Well, let me show you Magic Expand inside of Canva. What we've got is, that's where we've got this photo. We come to edit photo and then you go to Magic Expand. And for this demonstration, we're going to click on the whole page and click Magic Expand. So now we can see we've actually got 4 different options from Magic Expand. And you can see it's actually fitted in their feet and legs at the bottom. The result isn't that great with the feet and the legs, but we're going to go with this one because it's mostly the space above that we want. So we click done on that. Now if we click copy and paste this onto this page, we can see now when we drag that image in here, we can actually fit in the full image. And if we wanted to, if we didn't really want the bottom of the legs, we can just expand that down a little bit, just double click, and then we can actually just get the full photo in there. And that gives us the room above the top. And this is kind of like how you can do, like, shrink a photo technically in order to be able to fit it into the photo frame, is because you can actually expand it. So that's today's Ask a Canva Verified Expert question. If you've got any questions on how to do anything in Canva, or you're getting stuck with how to do anything in Canva, drop me a comment down below and hopefully I'll be able to get to your question.